Okay, and we are back. So welcome back to the Wise Sponge live stream. And of course, I'm your host David. So welcome back. Okay, and today, of course, we'll be continuing on with the consistent font design, but this time it will be for the pause and the game over menu. Okay, so let's do that. So first thing first, we need the escape. Okay, so let's do that. Keyboard version. Okay, so we will create a new group here, and let's call it pause menu. Okay, so let's duplicate this. Oh. Okay. So we have our escape here. Okay. So escape is used for resuming the game. Okay, so over here escape is for resume game. But of course we will make everything in uppercase or in caps. Okay. Okay, so let's create a new group and call it resume game. Okay, so there's one thing that we need to check first, and that is here. So there's around 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So over here we will create our resume game. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Okay, and now we need U. Okay, and we need an M. Okay, to get the word resume. And of course now we need an E. Okay, and as for game, we can just duplicate it from here. Okay, so GAME, we can just duplicate this. Okay, and let's bring it down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then we have our first row. Okay, next is, let's see, quit to menu. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, we also need to check the spacing between each row. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 10. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so Q is similar to O. Okay, but we have a small little dot here. Okay, and of course we need to make sure that the alignment is correct. Okay, next is quit to menu. Okay, so quit to menu, and of course we'll start it with a Q. Okay, so quit to menu. One, two, and 1, 2. Okay. Okay, so even though what we are doing now seems like a very small thing to take note of, okay, but it will affect the overall gameplay experience. So that is why we are spending time on it. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and of course for you we can just reuse it. So quit to menu. So for this pause menu, we also need to create a game controller version. Okay, but let's finish up the last row first, which is to exit the game. Okay, so let's create a group and let's call it E. And of course we have the spacing at 10 pixels. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's duplicate E. Okay, just give me a second here. Okay. Okay, so this is our E. Okay, so you notice that the items on the left are aligned to the right, and the items on the right are aligned to the left. So this makes it easier to read and for your eyes to scan horizontally and vertically. So exit stellar stars. X. Okay, our X is just a simple cross. Okay, so exit stellar stars. So here we need an S. Okay, so 7, 8. Okay, and now we need a T. And an E. Okay, and now we need an L. And let's duplicate the L to spell our stellar word. So as you can see, when we focus, we can do this rather fast or rather quickly. Okay, so S and T, let's duplicate them because they are part of the word stars. 6, 7, 8, and A, R, S, duplicate. Okay, so we have our keyboard version. Okay, now let's create the controller version. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, so this is our keyboard version. Okay, now let's move on to our Xbox One game controller version. Okay, so over here, okay, start A and X. Okay, so we need to change the escape Q and E to start A and X. Okay, so let's start with the first row. Okay, let me duplicate this and let's change it to pause menu controller. Okay, so we need our start button. Okay, so we already have that, so let's duplicate the start button here. A and X. Okay, since we have the start button, the X and A button here, we are just going to duplicate them and use them. Okay, for our pause menu controller version. Okay, so let's start with the escape. Okay, so we do not need the escape anymore, we just need the start here. Okay, so it's at its correct position, so we don't need to move it from there. Hey, welcome back Stratosphere. How's your day coming along? Okay, and X is for exit, stars, so that means A is for back to menu. Okay, so we are just going to move the button A down. Okay, over here. Okay. Yep. And X for exit. Oh, hey, glad to hear that. As for my day, I guess it's good as well. And busy, which is a good thing. Okay, as you can see right now, we are sort of redesigning the pause menu. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Maybe we are missing something here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so this will be used for the new pause menu. Okay, so 5, 4. Okay, so let's export it. Okay. So let's see what width and height do we need for this image. Okay, so height we might need 64. Oh. Hey, welcome back, Mr. Assertive Turtle. Yes, it's been a while. How have you been? And oh, okay. So if that's the case, Stratosphere, please enjoy your trip. And do not worry, as I will put the Twitch TV videos up on YouTube. Okay, as we also have a YouTube channel. Okay, so don't worry about that. So if you will miss the next few streams, okay, you can check out the videos on the YouTube channel. Oh. So are you going on a trip as well, Mr. Assertive Turtle? Oh yeah, and thanks for asking, I'm great as well. And busy. But of course having fun being busy. Okay, 200 and 40, 72. So your exams are over, I guess. Oh, are you going to the US for a vacation? 240. Okay, let's try 248. Okay, so right now we are in the process of using or creating a consistent gameplay experience, okay, for Stellar Stars, and we are at the font part of it. So we are making sure that everything in the game uses the same font design. Of course, okay, this font is something that I created myself, so it's not something that you can find on the internet. So 248, 24472. Okay. Oh, okay. Enjoy your vacation. So let's move this over here. Oh, but if you are going to the US, 6 weeks. Wow, okay, that is a long vacation. Let's see. Okay, after today, my next stream will most probably be either tomorrow or the day after next. Okay. Yeah. So it will either be 24 hours from now or 48 hours from now. I hope that doesn't confuse you. Three, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's save this as design layout. Pause. Okay, pause underscore options. And we'll save this as the controller version. Oh. Oh. Okay, be sure to get plenty of rest. Okay. And thanks for just dropping by and saying hi. So I'm also looking forward to chatting with you again. But yeah, be sure to get enough rest because sleep is rather important. Oh, okay, so for this, I'm gonna... Oh. Hey, you have a great day as well. And sweet dreams, Mr. Turtle. Okay, so we will export this. Okay, with the name of the old version so that it will overwrite it. Pause.